They come to dance and find romance and viola. In every bar, sweet guitar and sounds of laughter. I simply smiled and raised the glass when she walked over. The love began. She took my hand and said, "Let's dance." We was lying to the lake.